In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Looker Studio error messages if charts are breaking, fields look unavailable, or you're seeing permission or schema warnings. This walkthrough will help you reconnect the underlying data cleanly and get your report back on track. Start by going to lookerstudio.google.com and opening the report where you're seeing errors. Make sure you're signed into the correct account that actually has access to the data. A lot of common errors come from changed permissions, a moved data set, or fields that were renamed at the source. Once the report is open, create a blank page inside it. This gives you a safe workspace to troubleshoot without disturbing the layouts and filters on your main pages. You'll still be working within the same report and the same connections, just on a clean canvas, which makes it easier to see whether the fix takes effect. At the top toolbar, click Resource. Think of the resource menu as the command center for everything that powers your report behind the scenes. From here, you can see which data sources are attached and make changes that apply across pages. Choose Manage Added Data Sources. This opens a list of every data source currently connected to the report. Find the one that's causing the issue. If you have several, look for the connector type and name that match the charts with errors. Open it and you'll get controls specific to that connection. Select the problematic data source and click Edit. This brings up its schema and configuration so you can check fields and confirm the connector in use. If a field has vanished or changed type at the source, this is where you'll notice it. Next, click Edit Connection. You're moving from the schema view to the connector's configuration screen. This is the place to refresh credentials, confirm the account in use, and verify you're pointing at the correct property, dataset, or table. If access changed on the source system, updating it here ensures Looker Studio can reach it again. Finally, click Reconnect in the top right. Reconnect forces Looker Studio to rescan the data source, pick up any new or removed fields, and apply updates. You may see a prompt that highlights fields that changed. Review those notes and accept the updates so your charts reference the current schema. When the reconnect completes, return to your blank page and check that error banners have cleared. If everything looks good there, your original pages should render normally as well. That's it. By opening the report, creating a blank page, using Resource to manage the data source, editing the connection, and clicking Reconnect, you can resolve most Looker Studio error messages quickly and confidently.